Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 3 minus 5 times 3 minus 5. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. In this expression we have one subtraction, one multiplication and this parenthesis. As we know, parenthesis has higher priority than other operations. So first we do this parenthesis. 3 minus 5 gives us negative 2. Okay, so our expression equals 3 minus 5 times negative 2. Here we have this subtraction and this multiplication. As we know, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So first we do 5 times negative 2, which equals negative 10. Okay, so we have 3 minus negative 10, which equals 3 plus 10, and 3 plus 10 gives us 13. So our final answer to this problem is just 13.